How to create a Gmail account on mobile in 2023. Hello everyone. Welcome back to ProTech Tutor. Today, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a Gmail account on your mobile device in 2023. Gmail is one of the most popular email services, and setting up an account is quick and easy. So, let's just dive in. First of all, you need to open Gmail app on your mobile. Then, go to your Gmail profile icon located on the top right corner of screen. Now, tap on Add another account. Then from here, select Google and then click Continue. On the Gmail login page, tap on Create Account option. Select for My Personal Use. Now, enter your first and last name in the provided fields. Once you have done, tap on Next. Next step, enter your date of birth and gender. Then, click on Next. You can either choose or pick the suggestion Gmail address, or you can create your own Gmail address. To create a new Gmail address, just tap on here. Once you have entered the new Gmail address, click on Next. Now, create a strong password for your Gmail account. Click on Next. Now, it's asking you to add your phone number. So, scroll down, and if you want to add your number, click on Yes, I'm in. Otherwise, click on Skip. Once you have reviewed your account info, click on Next. Scroll down and click on Agree. And that's it, your Gmail account is now successfully created. Now, your Gmail account can be accessed on various devices. I hope this tutorial can help you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.